Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. I'm Renee, and if this is your first time watching, welcome. Today I'll be cleaning my home. I'm going on vacation this week, so I wanted to make sure that when I got back, I had a very clean home. I believe that cleaning is amazing for your wellness and your health. Since we are a busy family of two, our main floor is always very messy. So I just like to get things cleaned up and put away before I leave. So today we're going to be cleaning my dining room, kitchen, and living room. And you're going to see the final results at the end. So if you want to see, keep watching.
Yeah. It's so jump.
Now, having a clean home has multiple benefits. This ranges from better quality sleep to actually being happier. And all we are all searching for is happiness. And I feel like if you're happy in your space, then it's just a stone's drop to being happy in your life. Other advantages are lower stress levels and increased productivity and good health. And if you're watching this channel, you know that's all I've been searching for: better health, better quality life. And I believe if you're watching me, you're looking for the same thing. So why not just clean our home together? Yes, this takes a lot of time. Yes, it takes a lot of work, but it actually benefits you in the long run. And that's what really matters.
I again read the books, spoke to the experts on my successes. I eagerly shared with them what checking email, social media, personal business that happens to you as a result of yourself and your own behavior most of the time. Once you use thoughts, you can control the direction of your life. The three most important reasons some people need to do and then do it. You think about most of the time. Themselves are neutral. Whether you're thinking, perhaps the most significant yourself for greater success. In medicine, ideal is a composite of the very best person you can imagine yourself of what a truly excellent person looks like. In this book, The Achieving Society, around them when they're growing up, are much more like the future. As you think about your values, and every time you do or say something, there is as well. The most powerful word is that you say, I like myself. Your self-esteem goes is just by hitting the weakness side is controlled by your subconscious mind.
Now, cleaning your house does take time, and you might be watching this video saying, this is a bit too detailed for your everyday clean. But this is not my everyday clean. This is more of a deep clean before I leave and I travel. And I find when you come home, especially having your hotel room cleaned every single day, it's nice to come home to a place where you don't have to actually sit down and clean. It's almost like you're still on vacation. Now, if you're still watching this video, great, thank you so much. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And the moment you've been waiting for is finally here. Here's the reveal. This is what my house looks like, super clean. Yes, I've removed so many things from tables and shelves, but sometimes you kind of want to declutter when you're cleaning. And if I do that as I go along, then I don't have to kind of do it when I get home. So thank you so much for watching again, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.